Hi, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to Sea Wonder Baby Design. On today's episode, I will be making a Dollar Tree bird bath. The first DIY I'm doing is like a mosaic bird bath. So what I'm using are green gems from the Dollar Tree. So I started from the bottom and worked my way up top. I did try to do different ways to see which way was the fastest, but the way that I first thought was the fastest way to do it. Plus, you won't have as many gaps that I have on this bird bath. In total, you will need 3 glass green gem bags. I only purchased 2, so I had to stop recording and go to Dollar Tree to pick up another bag of green gems. The second DIY is a stone bird bath. So what I used was 2 types of pebble rocks from the Dollar Tree. I used the small and I used the large pebble rocks. So I started off with the large pebble rocks. Once I ran out, I used the small pebble rocks in my design. I found this hurricane glass vase at the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to use is this vase because it's shaped just like the bottom of the bird bath. I put the remainder of the pebble rocks inside the vase and place the top of the bird bath on top of the vase. I use E6000 and hot glue to have a whole strong bond, and at the end I end up flipping it over and put extra hot glue and E6000 around where the glass meet the top of the bird bath to make it secure even stronger. Be careful because the top of the bird bath is very heavy because it is stone, so you want to hold it with two hands and make sure that the vase is balanced. In the fairy garden section, Dollar Tree had different kinds of mushrooms. I went with this mushroom because it goes with the design of the bird bath. So what I did was I put E6000 as well as hot glue onto the bottom of the mushroom and place it on top of the bird bath in the middle. I use the little circle that's in the middle as a guide so I know where to place this mushroom at. In the garden section at the Dollar Tree, I found this green frog. I thought he was so cute. He looked like he's thinking. So I'm going to use this frog for the Mosaic type bird bath. This morning I went to Dollar Tree to look for the fairy lights. The Dollar Tree was all out of fairy lights. So what I ended up doing was get the glass gems and add it into the candle holder and glue the bird bath top onto the candle holder. The third and final DIY came from a Facebook group, the Dollar Tree Crafters, and Sherry Reynolds. She came up with an idea of doing a seashell bird bath. So I went to Dollar Tree this morning and picked up 3 packs of seashell and started gluing the seashell around the bottom of the bird bath, and as well as ropes. And I used gems and rocks and one little pearl at the end of the video. Let me know in the comments down below which bird bath you like. You like the one with the mushrooms and the rocks? Do you like the one with the thinking frog? Or do you like the one that's under the sea? Thank you for watching and have a nice day.